Hi friends, hope you are all doing good. So in this COVID-19, please maintain the social distance and wear mask. It will save you from the COVID-19. So thank you for supporting me. So I am doing another video on squares and cubes. If you like, you can share and subscribe to your friends. So in this lesson, I am going to explain you squares and cubes. I hope it will useful for the competitive exams and some other placement exams. Okay, for the real life calculations also it will useful. I thought to share with you, so that's why I'm making this video. If you like, definitely you can share and like the video. So squares and cubes. 1 square is equal to 1, 2 square is equal to 4, 3 square is how much? 3 square and 3 into 3, 9. 4 square is equal to 16. 4 square and then how much? 16, 1 6. 4 into 4, 16, right? 4 4 is 16. 5 square is equal to 25. 5 into 5, 25. 5 5 is 25. 6 into 6, 36. 7 into 7, 49. 7 square is equal to 49. 8 square is equal to 64. 9 square is equal to 81. 10 square is equal to 100. 10 into 10, 100, right? 11 square is equal to 121. 12 square, 144. 12 into 12, 144. 13 square is equal to 169. 13 square is equal to 169. 14 square is equal to 196. 14 into 14, 196. 15 square is equal to 225. So 15 square is equal to 225. 16 square, 256. 16 into 16, 256. 17 square, 289. 18 square, 324. 19 square, 361. 20 square, 400. So 20 into 20, 400. Everybody can remember easily. 21 square is equal to 441. So 22 is equal to 22 square is equal to 484. 23 square how much? 529. 23 square 520. 24 square 576. 24 into 24. 25 square is how much? 25 square is equal to 625. 26 square 676. 26 square 676. 27 square 729. 27 square 729. So 28 square 784. 29 square 841. 29 square 840. 13 square 13 into 13, 3 is 900. 900. So 35 square 1, it goes on like that. 31 square, 32 square, like that. If you remember up to 50, it is good for calculation. It is easy to calculate simplifications and everything. So 30 square is equal to 120. 1225. 1225. 40 square, it is easy to remember. 1600. 1600. So 4 4 is 16, right? 1600. So 45 square 2025. So 2020. 45 square 2020. So from now onwards I am doing 30, 35, 40, 45 square, 50, 55 square. Why I tell you the reason why. At the last 45 square in the 2025. 50 square 2500. 55 square 3055. So 60 square 3600. 65 square 4225. 70 square how much? 17 into 17, 7 7 49, 4900. 75 square 5625. When it will become easy to remember, if you know the tables 1 to 20, that time it will easy. If you don't know, better refer the table from 1 to 20. Please by heart the table, then only it will be easy to remember. Now observe the series. First one 1 square 1, right? 2 square 4. So 3 square 9. 4 square 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 90, 81, 100. So observe the in the first place of the, I mean ones, tens, like that. If you say 1 4 9 6, observe the 1th place. 6 5 6 9 4 1 0. Again it will repeat same from 1 to like this. 0 1 0 1 4 9 6 25. It goes on 6 9 4 1 0. Again 1 1 4 4 here also 4. Next 9, next 9 at the end. Next 6, next 6, next 5, 5. So it like that. 6 is 26 square 676. So 36. Observe the first place, this place. 36. Here 6. Here, sorry. Yeah, 9 next. Next 9. Like that. So one more shortcut I have. So here if you observe 30 square 900. This one everybody will remember. That means 30 square is equal to 900. 40 square is 1600. 50 square is equal to 2500. Like that everybody remember. But come to the here square 35 square. 35 square means 5 5 is 25. Keep this 25 aside. So this 12. Come to this 12. How it will come? 3 square plus 1. 3 square plus 3. Sorry. 3 square plus 3 means 3 square means how much? 3 square means 9. So 9 plus 3 12. How it will come? So like that it will come. 3 square plus 3. So 3 square plus 3. 3 square plus 3. 12. So 45. Come to the 45. You understand better. 5 5 is 25. Keep this 25 side. So 4, right? 4 square plus 4. 4 square plus 4. 20. 4 square means how much? 16. 16 plus 4. 20. So 55. Let's see the another example. 55 is right. 5 5 is 25. Keep this 25 side. This 30. Come to this side 30. So 5 square plus 5. 5 square plus 5 how much? 5 square means 25. Plus 5 30. So 302. Like that you can remember easily. I hope you understand this series. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. So sometimes in the examinations they'll give square root of 4. Square root of 4 is how much? You know, right? 2. Like that. For example, if they give square root of 36, you can easily remember 36. Square root of 36 is equal to 6. Like that. For example, if they given 441 square root, you can simply put 21. So 21. Like that it is useful. So for example, square root of 256. Square root of 256 is how much? 16. Like that it will use in the examinations. Really useful. So now come to the cubes. So let's see the cubes how it will be. So 1 cube is equal to 1. 2 cube is equal to 8. 2 cube is equal to 8 అనేది ఎలా వచ్చిందంటే 2 into 2 into 2. 2ని 3 సార్లు ఇంటూ చేస్తే 2 cube అనమాట. సో ఇజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 8. 2 into 2 4. 4 into 2 8. సో 3 cube is equal to 27. 3 3 is 9. 9 3 is 27. Like that it will come. So 4 cube is almost 64. 4 4 is 64. 64 into 4 4 is 16. Sorry, 4 4 is 16 into 4. 16 4 is 64. So 5 cube is equal to 125. 5 cube is equal to 125. How it will come? 5 5 is 25. 25 into 5 anta enta? 125. So 6 cube 216. 6 6 is 36. 36 into 6 216. If you don't know 6 cube, you can split it as 6 square into 6. So 6 square you know, right? 6 square is 36. 36 into 6. 36 into 6 216. Like that also you can do. So 7 cube is equal to 346. 7 7 is 49. 49 into 7 343. Like that. 8 cube is equal directly. Either you can remember directly. 8 cube is equal to 512. 8 cube is equal to 512. 9 cube is equal to 729. So 9 cube is equal to 729. 9 into 9 81. 81 into 9 9 729. So 10 cube is equal to 1000. So 11 cube is equal to 1311. 12 cube is equal to 1728. 13 cube is equal to 2197. 14 cube is equal to 2744. 15 cube is equal to 3375. So try to remember at least up to 15 cube. So definitely it will be useful in the while doing the calculations. So let's see the another example. Cube root of 1331 is equal to 11. You can say directly because we already seen here 11 cube is equal to 1331. So this type if we get they given this one in examination directly we can say 11. 11 we can put it. 3 cube of 1331 is 11. 3 cube of 512 is equal to 8. So cube root of 27. Sorry, cube root of 27 is equal to 3. 3 cube కాదు 3 cube. cube root we can call it as a cube root of 27 is equal to 3. So cube root of 216 is equal to 6. 216 is equal to 6. Like that you can remember up to 15 it will helpful, but beyond the 15 it is not easy to remember. 16 cube means it will go around 4th something like it will go some like that, above the 5000 it will go 16 cube. So that's why it is not possible to remember everything, but still you can remember up to 15, it will help definitely. These two problems by using squares and cubes. So 12 into 12 plus 16 square plus square root of 256 plus cube root of 1331. If you remember all the square roots and cubes, it will be easy to solve within 10 seconds. So 12 into 12, 12 square. So 12 square into 144. So 140. 16 square is how much? 16 into 16, 256. So square root of 256. Square root of 256 is equal to 16. So here 1331. Cube root of 1331 how much? 11. So let's add all this. 10, 16, 17, 5, 4, 9, 10, 11. So answer is 417. 417. If you practice these things, it will be easy to solve in a quick time. So the second problem is square root of 144 plus cube root of 729 plus 20 square. As I said earlier, square root of 144 is 12 square is how much? 144. So you can directly square root of 144 is 12. Cube root of 729. Cube root of 729 is how much? 9. 9 into 9 81. 81 into 9 729. So cube root of 729 9. So 20 square is how much? 20 into 20 400. Add all these. 9 plus 2 11 to 421. So 420. Like this it will use. Thank you.